I got a question here. If you're using Lightroom, you're like, oh, I'm looking at ON1 Photo Raw. Should I use it as a plugin? Should I switch? What would you do?
Well, it's kind of interesting. So you could say that ON1 Photo Raw is designed as a replacement for Lightroom. But here's what I like about it. I already am using Lightroom. I already know how to use it. You know, I'm fine with it. However, it comes with like all the other plugins built into it. Like it has NoNoise. It's got the sharpen. It's got the portrait. It's got the keywording. It has all the other stuff in it. So if you use it as a plugin, it's got all the stuff. It's just, I don't need it to do the stuff I already do, right? I don't need it, but it's very interesting in how it has all that other stuff. So you can use it as a replacement for Lightroom, and then it's just it's like it does the sorting and it does the develop module stuff, but it doesn't do it like vastly, you know, different. It's very similar type of thing. It organizes your photos and it edits them, right? But all the other plugins, it's very intriguing that they're all built in. So I do like that. So if I was going to use it, I'm going to use it as a plugin. That was how I would use it, as a plugin for Photoshop or a plugin for Lightroom. Yeah, I don't need it as a standalone. So it's
that's how I use it.
I don't know if
too.
that helps.
Yeah,
but
that's how I use it too, because of the same reasons I was talking about. It's where you get all kind of little bells and whistles. Because there are stuff that I'm like, ooh, I like that. I'm like, ooh, I like that. So, you know, I know like us, like effects. You might go over there and pop over for
or the sky replacement.
Or sky replacement. You know, you just pop over.
Sky replacement is better than Photoshop's.
Yeah, they even got reflections.
I prefer plugins because I'm already using Photoshop or Illustrator.
Yeah.
I want the things to be attached to it, so I'm working in the same thing.
Hard.
I don't want to go
I'm so deep into Lightroom that it would be hard to.
Yeah, me too. You know,
so
it's like it's kind of the basis of everything I do. So, but I do like their plugins.